So let's talk about NPC coin. It's a meme coin. It's sitting at 2.6 cents right now. I'll show you the price on exchange in a bit, but first I'm going to talk about its fundamentals, what to expect from this coin in long term, and then of course I'm going to show you the chart. I will tell you where is your entry, where is your exit, and what the hell to do with it. So first let's talk about the overall journey. This thing is based on NPC Walljack, which is a picture. I mean, you would have seen this thing dwelling around the internet. I'll Google it for you, and then you would remember what I'm talking about. So this is your Wojak that I'm talking about. So NPC is using this image with a bit of colored version. The only new angle on this coin, apart from it that it is a meme coin, and the one that I showed you, is that this interoperability, which is the interchangeability from coins to NFT, NFT to coin. So it's coded in a way where you can flip from coin to NFT, NFT to coin. I don't know why the fuck would you do it, but the thing is that, and why does it matter? That's utter nonsense, because you need to understand it doesn't have any team, which is usually the case scenario with a lot of meme coins. Those that become successful, teams abandon it, then community takes it over. It's called CTO, community takeover, and then they start treating it like religion. They go around everywhere and say that NPC is going to go to moon, and they tell their mother, their father, their auntie, and everyone to invest in it. They bring in their family members, and they continue to spread the cult. Then they end up creating an army. Then they will call it NPC army, and the bullshit continues, which is the usual thing with meme coins. It's nothing new. But the only new angle that this thing has is this switching of meme coin to NFT. Other than that, there is nothing else. Now, let's talk about the potential. Right now, it's sitting at $200 million market cap. The market cap is not crazy big, but at the same time, it is not crazy small. You need to understand that every meme coin that we talk about, they generally start at a very low price point, and this is not a new meme coin to begin with. This thing is there from 2023, so it has lived for quite some time, and it's not performing bad. It's not that it is performing bad, it is performing okay, and there is room for growth. It's not listed on Coinbase or Binance, not on spot, not on derivatives. It's not listed on derivatives that much anyway. It's listed on 3 exchanges, and they are horrible exchanges anyway. So when we talk about the overall growth, room for growth, this thing has a lot of potential for that. It's missing Bybit, it's missing Binance, Crypto.com, Kraken. I mean, there is a big list of exchanges that matter. It's not listed over there. So is it on KuCoin? Let me check. Yeah, it is on KuCoin. So those exchanges, they matter. It's not on Upbit either. So all this stuff, it adds value to this coin. That is missing. If they receive these kind of listings, yes, it can pump. But you need to understand you're dealing with a 50-50 kind of a gamble. You're dealing in casino. This is not a project where you look at their overall performance and growth of their product and team and the future roadmap. It's a meme. At the end of the day, you're playing at casino, and that's how you should treat it. So if you really love this cult, this army, you are in love with this religion, you can go and invest in it. Not that, like I said, it's performing bad in terms of chart. There is room for growth, but there is nothing solid for me to bite on, and I would give you a promise that this thing is going to do a 5x. That kind of bullshit is not there. Anyway, let's look at its current price on an exchange, so you could see what is the actual latest price. It's sitting at 2.6 cents, 2.65. It is the current price. And now let's look at its chart. What do we expect? Where to buy, where to sell, where is the support, where is the resistance, all that kind of stuff. So when we look at this coin on 4 hours, if you look at it, it actually has a double top structure. Okay. And where it is sitting right now, this area of 2.6, where we are looking at it right now, this is the neckline of this double top area. So holding this area is an extremely important thing, because if it doesn't, it will start crashing down towards the support area, which is 1.8 cents, I think. Yeah, it is 1.89. You can call it 1.9 cent if you want to. So it will start delivering on the bearish aspect of it if it breaks this neckline. So at the time of recording this video, it is sitting on the neckline. This is the point of make and break for this coin. If it holds, it can rally, it can go up. And when I say up, I'm talking about shooting up towards 5 cents, because holding this structure is only going to give it more bullish support, and it will just continue with the rally. First it will go hit 3 cents. I mean, that's the negligible target. The actual target would be 5 cents. So the room for growth is really there. But will it hold the neckline or not is a question, because the overall market is turning around. Then you will say it's not NPC, it's the market, it's not you, it's me. That kind of bullshit. But at the end of the day, we do know that it's you, it's not me. So it's not the market, it is the coin. It is coin's responsibility, because not every coin performs horribly when the markets crash. There are so many coins out there that would hold really, really well. You can look at TRX, Pax Gold, XAUT, BNB. There's a big list of coins that don't crash 70% with the market. But anyway, that's a whole different discussion. And that's pretty much you need to know about NPC from long-term and short-term perspective. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it. And I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.